Have an LG front load washer. The issue is it's not draining and having an OE code. We're going to be replacing the pump today. We're going to start by removing the detergent dispenser and then removing the two screws out of the back that hold the top panel on. We're then going to remove the top panel, get it out of our way. After that, I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws holding the front display in. We're then going to pop up on the display, getting it off, and remove the three wires holding it together. Once these three plugs are out, we'll be able to completely remove the display and set it aside. You then have to remove the bellow retainer ring, the lid lock screws, and all other screws holding the door on. Once you get the door completely out of the way, you'll use the black hose on the bottom to siphon all of the water out of it completely. Once all the water is removed, then we can get the drain filter opened up. Once you get it drained completely, you'll remove the wires and two hose clamps holding the tub to pump hose as well as the pump to house hose. Now you're going to have three 10mm bolts holding down the entire pump assembly. You'll get all three of those removed and the pump will be able to slide out. You'll want to flip the pump over and remove the mounting bracket out of it. This makes it a little easier to replace the drain pump we're about to replace. There's just three screws holding it in. The pump mount will slide right off. Once we have it off, we can get to the pump. And as you can see, all that liquid coming out, the seal has failed, causing the magnetic rotor to completely fail. Setting these pumps side by side, you can see a good pump should have a spring back like this. The old pump, however, does not have spring backs, showing that the magnetic rotor has failed. We'll get it replaced and put back together. With the pump being replaced and the unit fully put back together, the customer is now able to use their unit. No code, no drain issues. We're good to go and back up and running.